HVAC Boulder Team presents the weekly tip: save money with AC. Keep the filter clean that the filters limit airflow. To make the unit run longer, clean or replace the filter every month or so during the summer. Do not run your clothes dry until after 7 p.m. and don't use oven at all. The less hot food you have cooked on the stove, the better. Go now. For more tips, BoulderHVAC.com, and there you'll find the best HVAC team in Boulder. Visit us BoulderHVAC.com or follow us on Facebook or Twitter. Click the link below for more details.